Over 8 million people are believed to have died in these mountains since the 1500s. Even today, miners here face toxic gases, cave-ins, and conditions most of us can't imagine. For over 400 years, Cerro Rico, or the Rich Hill, has fueled empires with silver, but at a devastating cost. Today, miners still enter its depths daily, facing the same dangers with little more than tradition and faith to protect them. We came to Potosi to see what life inside the mountain is really like, and what we found was both eye-opening and haunting. Let's start at the beginning.
We're about to get picked up on the bus, and then we're going to go to the market where we can buy the miners some gifts, and we're going to grab some water too.
Yes.
300 mines we have nowadays, activity mines, and many people is working inside, like 20,000 miners is working in all the rich hill, my friends.
What are they mining for today?
We have 8 minerals in all the rich hill, but the best is the silver and the zinc. Show you the silver, the best quality in Bolivia, and I will give you one souvenir. It's like 500 years of mining, and it's continued to give the silver, zinc, the tin, the lead. It's the rich hill, my friends.
We were just told that this is the only city you can buy dynamite legally out of all of Bolivia. I'm not sure if it's the whole world, but that is wild.
You can see the base of the coca leaves. This is the alkaloids. It's for to give power, energy, in the moment to work. Miners, they work in 6, 7, 8, 10 hours inside of the mountain. For that reason, they chew a lot of. And also we have this element. This is the name lejía or lejía. It's made of the potatoes, the quinoa, and also the anise ash. Yeah. It's also for to give the taste and also energy. No. Energy every moment the miner they need, because it's hard work inside of the mountain, my friends. We have different flavors, the salty, the mint, the sweet, together with the coca. Wow, it's nice. And also we have here the piltuncho, pure tobacco, my friends. It's no filter.
Yeah?
It's like this? Yes. Wow. This is pure tobacco, my friends. The miners they use for offering to the Pachamama, the Mother Earth, and also the devil, the Satan, the Tio. Inside we have one statue. So the miners they say, this is for you, give me good luck. Yes, they drinking, my friends. Yeah? It's made of the sugar cane from Santa Cruz. It's strong and also sweet. The miners they say, this is for you, Pachamama, the Mother Earth, and also the Tio, the devil. And a little for me. Salud. Oh, it's very strong, but I like my job, my friends. This is the dynamite, nitroglycerin, and also the TNT. The miners they use every day. It's normal the explosion inside. And this is the ammonium nitrate for to give more power in the moment you throw the dynamite.
Smells like gas.
Okay? This is the detonator, the black powder, and the fuse. Introduce in the middle like this, and we have the dynamite, my friends. Yeah? The miners they make several holes in the wall, and they introduce inside the dynamite. Together with the cigarette, they light it. Like
Far do you have to be away?
Yeah, it's like 10 meters
Okay.
for the miners. The people when they use the dynamite, we have top of the mountain is fall down like this. Because they use a lot of dynamite at the top, no?
Ooh, that's scary. Very dangerous.
We are going to the warehouse. I will give you the rubber boot, the helmet, everything like a miners. Okay, mis amigos? And then we are going to the mines. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so vamos, let's go.
So we learned that people will also buy dynamite and use it in the streets to protest, saying, hey, government, we need a different industry for our children, for our nieces, for our nephews. So that's really symbolic and powerful as well.
Hey. Oh, you got a piece of bread, huh?
So, good miners, let's go to work.
We are on our way.
Nowadays we have 46 companies private. The companies private, they control the people that work inside and also the minerals. The miners, they extract eight minerals: silver, zinc, copper, lead, the tin, the wolfram, the pyrite, the fake gold. Yeah, we don't have the gold. Only the pyrite, the fake gold, or the foolish gold.
This hill still produces 70% of the world's silver.
The mine with the most silver in all of the Americas.
So 7.5 months ago, before we left, my aunt gave us these K95 masks. And today, with 2 weeks left of our trip, we will be using them. So thank you, Titi.
As we approached the mine entrance, the reality set in. This isn't just a tour, it's a workplace, where men and even young boys prepare to risk their lives underground every single day.
We are going to another factory. We need processing separate the mineral, my friend. Okay? It's necessary to people, my friend, because it's so heavy. They need it more. Yeah?
Miners still risk their lives every day, with limited protections, little government support, and few alternative job opportunities.
They lost the father and the mother into this place, the younger people. It's for the reason they work in early age, my friend, the people here, yeah? 14, 15 years old, but in another jobs inside. No, they push the wheelbarrow, or they use the space or the axe.
Okay, so you see this gold-looking stuff, that's pyrite, fool's gold. The silver is the shiny stuff, and the dark stuff is zinc. This is really, really interesting.
This one. It's difficult though.
So this is the job for the women, to find the good rocks with the minerals in there, but they get paid 100 bolivianos a day, 6 to 7 hours a day, $14.50.
Because here we don't have another industry that generates employment in Potosi, only the rich here. And out of Potosi, you can see the mountains, we have another mines. We don't have good factories in Potosi, my friends. Okay? Everyone to live here in Potosi, me, my friends, everyone, we are going to work inside now. Because it's more for the people they need it for the studies, not computers, everything. It's for the reason the people working at the same time study.
You have the potential to actually earn like 5,000 to 6,000 bolivianos here in the mines. In the center, people usually earn about 2,000 to 3,000 bolivianos. So it's hard work, but it's better salary to work in the mines.
This is the blood of the llama, my friend. Yeah? The miners, they painting the blood of the llama. The miners, they say, give me protection, good luck, prosperity in my job.
Now, without further ado, it's time to see for ourselves what life is like inside the mines.
Goodbye, light at the end of the tunnel.
A ver, all the body in the wall, my friends, all the body in the wall. Now the people miners, they push and push like this, the huevos, my friends. 20 huevos every day. They working like 5 or 6 hours like this. One moment, please. Go there, come here. Let's go there. It's coming another huevo. Yeah? Go faster, my friends.
There's so many carts just being passed by us. There's been at least 6 or 7. This mine is such an active mine.
You can see now the water, the red color. This is the blood of the tourist people, my friend. Mine sacrificed 5 people. No, sorry, just kidding, just kidding. This is rainwater mixture with the copper or the iron sulfate. Here we have a lot of. These are another minerals, the copper and the iron sulfate. The green color, the copper sulfur, and the red color, the iron. And this is another minerals inside. Here the miners, they use the pipes, the compressed air. The drilling machine introduce the dynamite in the holes. And it's coming another weapon, you can see.
Oh.
The empty wagon is like 80 kilograms of heavy. Only 80. Full. Are you okay now, my friends?
Even with the mask.
They start to pick up the mineral.
How
And
far?
they put here in the backpacks. They keep in at 350 meters down, my friends. Okay? This is the another levels. This is the dynamite. This is like this. Yeah, 1 meter of the fuse, and they start to light it. 20 in one explosion. 20 or 10 dynamite. Okay, mis amigos. One dynamite is like 2 meters. The explosion. 2 meters. Imagine 20, 40, 10 dynamites. No, it's big explosion, my friends. Miners put here the pipes, the compressed air, the charger like this, and they start to make the hose. So heavy for me. Okay, you try, my friend? I start. 1 hour, 2 hours like this, my friend.
That's heavy.
This is hard work, my friends. The salary is better. For example, the people that use this instrument, the salary is like 400 or 500 Bolivians per day. A lot of money, no? But so dangerous because when the miners they make the holes, inhale constantly the dust of the mineral, no? And they have problems in the lungs. 70-80% of cancer, my friends. Yeah, silicosis.
He then took us to one of the most important parts of the mine. This is El Tío. He is believed to be the guardian of the mine, controlling the mineral wealth within and the safety of the miners.
It's very good. Okay, tios, imainaya kashanki tios, waleya kashani. No, I speak in Quechua, my friend. Imainaya kashanki means hello, how are you? Good morning, this is for you. Waleya kashani, it means all good, Ricardo, no problem, no? This is the miners they speak more is Quechua here inside, my friend. We like it to speak Quechua because it's the mother language. Yes, no? For us, they present good luck. Tios, give me protection for the group dynamite, okay, my friend? Yes, he said, you know? We need, my friends, they make several explosions. I needed your concentration to keep me, you know? And also the shoulders, the chest, all the body represent the strength. The hands represent the capac, in Quechua I give you, and your capac, and also you give me. I give you coca, you give me protection, okay? Ahí está, this is for you, Tio. The penis for us represent the fertility, my friends, for the miners. Miners, they say this is the man in all the mountain, and the Pachamama is a woman, okay? It's a girl. When they have relationship, Pachamama and the devil, rich bands and silver are burned, like to children's. No, this is the kids for the devil and the Pachamama. The miners, they say, give me pure silver today, Tios, okay? Tios, this is for you, pure alcohol. Yes, it's always like this. The hands. The penis, no problem.
Oh.
And also the Pachamama. And a little for me. Lahaim, salud, mis amigos.
Salud.
Very good, Tio. The Spaniards, they put here one statue. Like this, the devil. Why? It's danger inside of the mountain. They never come inside into this place, the Spaniards. Only here inside they work in the African slaves and also the indigenous people. The Spaniards, they told them to the indigenous people, this is your boss, this is your God, okay? If you don't work better, if you don't extract the rich mineral, he will kill you because this is your boss. They say, this is my energy, but this is for you. Please don't kill me, I have family. I bet you try to say Imainaya Kashanki.
Imanaya Kashanki.
Very good, your question is way better than my English.
Imanaya Kashanki.
Yes. Ahí está.
Please protect our family, my family, and the miners here. And help us get a lot of money.
So, and also kids. You put one
And
finger.
kids.
So give me kids, you say.
Give me some good kids.
Yes,
Please protect us.
yes.
Finance is mine. Give them good money and wealth. And give us good children, fertility. And thank you, Pachamama.
Yes, very good. No?
We are now walking in where the kids have worked.
No? It's a lot of time.
14, 15-year-olds.
It's hard
They
work,
use
but
the
good
axes.
salary.
Before going into Cerro Rico, we knew this wasn't going to be an ordinary tour. For us, it was a moment of learning and being able to put ourselves in the environment of the people of Potosi, working every day underground. With a population of 242,036 as of 2025, 12,000 males and 30,000 females have been said to work in the Potosi mines. Even children play a role in keeping the mines running. Some use axes inside the cave walls, others sort minerals. The dangers have become normalized, and the relationship with the devil El Tio gives them the tenacity to come back every day. Fathers here have protested with dynamite, not just to talk about the risks, but to demand more factories, a future beyond the mines. They want to see the wealth of this mountain stay in the community, instead of being shipped across borders and refined elsewhere. The irony of Cerro Rico, the rich hill, is that it has made others rich for centuries, while Potosi has been left behind. This experience gave us a deeper respect for the resilience of these miners and reminded us of the privilege we hold.